welcome back to another video. If you can't tell behind me, I have a doll-shaped package. So this is actually supposed to arrive 2 days, like in 2 days. So it arrived early. I'm pretty happy about that. So this is Nanea. Came straight from the store. I don't want to cut you, cat. Excuse me. So I'm really excited. I have been wanting her for a long time. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Okay, so the first thing, as like it always comes, is a magazine. So I'm pretty happy I get a nice magazine. There she is. But I can't like just sit here and play the magazine. I gotta take her out. Here she is. I'm really excited about this. Well, she came right out. Okay. Oh, has like shipping info. Okay. So first of all, this just looks like a sticker stuck on here. I did not realize that. Okay, the book got stuck in here. No wonder it's so heavy. Put our box right there. Brand new book. Nice. Growing Up in Aloha, Nanea. I've been wanting her forever. Okay. Here she is in the box. I'm so excited. I'm not good at taking dolls out of boxes. I don't have scissors on me. Ah, got an arm. The box does not want to stay together. Yeah, she's brand new from the store. Couldn't wait. I had to get her now. I was gonna get her a little bit later. She has a little mark on her leg. Whatever. I usually just use scissors, but I realized you can just pull them off. Yeah, this plastic thing. Oh, okay, I see it. See? Oh, that's easy. Oh, I'm so happy. She's so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna take these. Oh, I'm gonna take these off. Put them back in the box. Nanea, welcome. Okay. Thought they just gonna take off her shoes for a second there. Here she is. She's so pretty. Her hair. Put that down in a minute. But her shoes, they remind me kind of Julie's because they have the strap in the back. So they're not the most secure because the strap, so if you are like walking around with her and stuff, I'd be careful about her shoes. It's good material. They have little pockets. You can actually stick stuff in. I'm pretty happy about that. And this is a really cute pattern on her shirt. She's so pretty. I'm so happy. Okay. On the side of her box, it's pretty cool. Not a lot of dolls come with something, but Nanea does. She comes with a little flower clip for her hair. So, I'm just gonna get this out here. Okay. We'll just pile her box there. Okay, so this is really cute. It's not the best material. This is like an actual flower clip for your hair, kind of. Like that material, so it's plastic on the bottom. Yeah. Here it is. It's really cute. This does bend to kind of fix this little Hawaiian thing. Okay. Here's about, yeah, she has it in her hair. Really cute. Yeah. Okay. Pretty happy. A lot of times, I don't know if she'll have it in her book, but you want to look through the book because sometimes you can get another free catalog, but that's like when you buy the doll, I think, pretty sure. I don't know. Okay, now I know that a lot of people love watching the hairnet, taking off the hairnet, so. Okay, sorry technical difficulties, but I'm going to finish taking off her hairnet. Whoa. Okay, so this hairness can be reused if you like get knots out, which I have a video on that. Okay, I ended up getting a knot out of one of them. I don't know. This is the second doll I got from a store, or like got brand new. I have 13 dolls now. I'm really happy. Here she is. She's so pretty. So her hair is down. I'll need to brush it out. But I'm so excited she came. Nanea. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.